Highlight incorrect word is the most important module of listening as well as reading. It is the second last module of listening. Highlight incorrect word contributes total 17 marks. It contributes 8 marks to listening and 9 marks to reading. It's a very simple task. If your listening skills are good, then you can easily get full points in this module. A paragraph will show on your screen and you will get 8 seconds to scan the paragraph. After 8 seconds an audio will start. Audio will be same as the text. Only some words will differ from the audio and you have to highlight those words by just clicking the right hand side of the mouse. After clicking it, it will turn into yellow color. This module has negative marking. For each correct word you will get 1 point, and in case of you choose incorrect word, then 1 point will deduct for that particular question. Minimum points is 0. For example, in one paragraph there are 4 words and you choose 3 correct and 1 incorrect word. In this case you will get only 2 points. So I mean to say, do this task very carefully. Only choose those words in which you are sure. As I came across many students while teaching, they keep on selecting and deselecting the highlighted words, which create a big chance of error. Don't do this, you can lose points. During audio, keep your focus on the screen and keep your mouse in the center. Just forget the other things. Keep your focus on audio and screen, and one important thing, keep the cursor in middle, because when you move cursor left right then you can get distracted. Most of the time there are 4 incorrect words in one paragraph. It can be 5 in some cases, but not less than 4. Keep this thing in your mind during this task. Helping verbs can never be incorrect words. Remember this. Do improve this task, or for better score always practice with different accents and at different speed, or you can say at high speed. As such, there is no trick for this task. Practice is the only solution. Try to